If your kids like to work out, have we got a personal trainer? If they're learning the alphabet, we can make it as easy as ABC. And when it's time to share,
I'll only play with it for a minute. No, Zoe.
Everybody gets a turn on Sesame Street, with all new home videos that are full of new ways for your kids to count, to dance, and to learn. Plus book and tape sets and audio for new ways to read and listen. From Sesame Street, the place where the laughter and the learning never end.
Play it again, Mom.
Sesame Street Home Videos and Audio. Award-winning and original entertainment. Created especially for young imaginations. From Sony Wonder.
It's so exciting.
Hey, that looks good.
Yeah! Sesame Street home video.
It's not that easy being a kid today, and there's not so much to know. We sure could use a light to help us as we grow. Wanna learn to give and take and share and lend a helping hand.
And to find out what to do when things don't work out like we planned.
Gotta learn to tell the truth, gotta know what we should eat. Gotta learn to hold our grown-ups hand each time we cross the street. Gotta find out all about the world, it's time to get down to it. And we're proud we brought some friends along to help us while we do it. If advice is what you're looking for, we'll show you where to turn. The Kids Guide to Life is here to help you live and learn.
Live and learn.
Big Bird gets lost.
Whoa.
Got it, honey? Yeah, it's not too heavy. Oh, hi. I'd like to take a minute to talk to the grown-ups out there. You know, it just takes a second for kids to get lost in a crowded place. And it's really scary for a kid. Not much better for the parent either. So you should teach your kids at a very early age what to do if you do get separated. And better yet, how not to get lost to begin with. The best way not to lose your children is to hold their hands. And if you must let go, be sure that you can see them at all times. And tell them that they have to be able to see you from wherever they are. Remember that most children wander off when they're not being paid attention to, or when their parents become distracted. Try to orient your child to the new surroundings by pointing out landmarks. If you have older children, you may decide together on an easy-to-find meeting place if you get separated. But younger kids should be told to stop, stay where they are, and look for someone nearby who works in the store or theme park or wherever you are. They should be told how to recognize store employees. Help your children to learn their full names, addresses, and phone numbers, as well as the names and numbers of their caregivers. Most of all, be sure your kids know to never leave the store. Excuse me. I've got to find a new line of work.
Stick into If I go here, you go here too. If I go there, that's what you do. Sticking together every time that we go out.
If you go here, I go here too. If you go there, that's what I do. Because we're sticking together every time that we go out. Sticking together, that is what it's all about.
Visit Sesame Street on the web at www.sesamestreet.com.
Look for these great products from Sesame Street. Growing up can be a little easier with Sesame Street's Kids Guide to Life series with 2 all-new stories.
Is it a story about the circus?
No, it's about a whole lot more. Elmo and guest star Dennis Quaid help Telly learn all about telling the truth in this new, totally original video. And on Book and Tape, The Emperor's New Fur teaches that telling the truth is the noble thing to do. Collect the other titles in the series, Learning to Share on video cassette and Big Bird's Band Plays Together on Book and Tape.
Ready to party? Then come on down to Sesame Street, where Maria, Gabby, Elmo, and Rosita are having a fiesta, new on video cassette. There's lots of laughter, learning, and music in both English and Spanish, with special guest stars Celia Cruz and Linda Ronstadt joining in the fun.
I love carnival.
Plus, there's a fiesta on CD and audio cassette, featuring songs from the video and more, so you can take this party with you everywhere.
Let the carnaval begin!
You can count on Ernie to make learning numbers a musical delight. He's dropping by the Furry Arms Hotel to give Humphrey, Ingrid, and Benny the Bunny a song-filled lesson in 1, 2, 3, Count With Me. It all adds up to a ringing good time. And on CD and audio cassette, you'll have a great time singing along with all your Sesame Street pals on Kids' Favorite Songs, a musical treasury of best-loved classics. What do you do during quiet time? That's the question Big Bird asks in this brand new video. Oscar, Rosita, and special guest star Daphne Rubin Vega from the hit Broadway show Rent help Big Bird discover the many ways to make quiet time fun time, too.
Wasn't that fun, Big Bird?
Plus, on board Book and Tape, Ernie shows how to get ready for sweet dreams with helpful advice and classic Sesame Street lullabies in sleepy time. And on CD and audio cassette, Elmo, Grover, and other Sesame Street friends sing warm and cuddly dreamy time songs. What makes exercising really fun? Elmo Size, made exclusively for home video, featuring special guests Cyndi Lauper and the Sesame Street Kids, all hopping, stretching, jumping, and laughing their way through a feel-good musical workout no kid can resist. What's your favorite Sesame Street song? You'll find it on Sesame Street Platinum All-Time Favorites. It's a fun-filled who's who of Sesame Street superstars singing 20 best-loved hits.
Once upon a time, Mother Goose tried to teach her son the art of rhyming. But Simon can't master the subject. What's a mother to do? Find out in the special Sesame Street presentation of William Wegman's Mother Goose, a wry and whimsical retelling of 24 classic nursery rhymes, starring William Wegman's canine companions.
I'm glad you liked it, Simon. It's got good rhythm.
Only from Sony Wonder, wherever children's videos, CDs, cassettes, and book and tape sets are sold.